On today's first look, we have Nicolas Cage's 1970 Plymouth Hemi Cuda. This is lot number 1400. This 1970 Plymouth Hemi Cuda is powered by the 426, 425 horsepower Hemi engine with a pistol grip 4-speed manual transmission backed by the Super Track Pack Dana 60 rear axle with 410 gears. The engine and transmission were both rebuilt and restored, and the car has the correct factory markings, stampings, numbers, and date components, also original power disc brakes. The Cuda is registered and documented in the Chrysler Registry to be number 128 of 284 1970 Hemi Cudas built with a 4-speed manual transmission. The vehicle comes with 3 large binders and extensive documentation, including the inspection and certification report of the engine and transmission by Mopar expert Frank Ballison, partners with Roger Gibson, as well as visual and hands-on inspection by Galen Govier, along with the full fender tag decoding, window sticker, owner's manual, owner's documents and receipts, and photos and details of the complete professional Concours restoration. The best part, this beautiful Hemi Cuda is selling at no reserve at our 2024 Scottsdale auction, January 20th through the 28th. See you there.